Welcome back. This is Mr. Nemitz with Mr. Stillahn's government class. This is the third video in the Chief Executive Lecture, Executive Departments. This is the list of every department in the executive departments. They include the heads of 15 secretary or 15 executive branch departments are called secretaries. In addition to advising the president on matters related to their specific department, these secretaries run each individual department. They oversee all the programs, services, and people that carry out the mission of the department, and all 15 departments are listed in secretary rank. The structure, the title of the person who heads each executive department is a secretary, except for the head of the Department of Justice, which is the Attorney General. The second in command is either the deputy or the undersecretary, and the departments have assistant secretaries under them. The president appoints all of these officials, subject to Senate confirmation. Overall, policy is set by the top officials in each department. They rely on the ideas and information from career officials who are specialists and business managers in each department. They're often career civil servants with many years of experience. They get hired on through a regular hiring process, and they are not appointed, and they stay throughout different administrations. So they could be there for 20, 30, 40, even 50 years. Now we're going to take a little look at some of the demographics of each of these departments. As you can see, the budgets, the Department of Health and Human Services is the largest. This department is concerned with protecting public health and providing social services to those least able to support themselves. An example would be Medicare and Medicaid and funds for medical research. It administers the Centers for Disease Control and the Food and Drug Administration. The next largest budget of the executive departments is the Department of Defense or the military. That's pretty self-explanatory. They deal with all the foreign defense of the United States. The smallest budget, the Department of Commerce, supports the economy by developing and executing policies that promote American business and industries. They promote exports and enforce international trade agreements. Also, they issue patents and trademarks and administer the census. Now we're going to look at size by employee. The largest of these departments is the Department of Defense with 3.1 million employees. The second largest is going to be Homeland Security. They coordinate national efforts to protect against acts of terrorism. They administer immigration laws and respond to national disasters. And the agencies of Custom and Border Protection, the Coast Guard, the Secret Service, the TSA, FEMA, and Immigration and Customs Enforcement all fall under Homeland Security, the Department of Homeland Security.